I'm Edo Licon, Operations Manager here at Sand Revolution. At Sand Revolution, we're proud to introduce two highly specialized new service lines specifically engineered to revolutionize the wet sand market. Over the past year, we've precisely developed and tailored state-of-the-art equipment to seamlessly handle both wet and dry sand applications. This isn't a refurbished of what was, it's an evolution to what will be. Our cutting-edge systems are not only designed to meet the unique demands of wet sand processing, but also maintain full functionality with dry sand, ensuring unparalleled versatility and performance for our customers. We're introducing our premier service line, which leverages our advanced sand silo system for the efficient storage of wet sand. This system offers our customers multiple benefits. Designed for high-capacity loads, our trailers feature full open tops, ensuring ease of loading. They are also outfitted with protective liners to guard against corrosion and to facilitate a smoother flow of sand. To prevent any potential blockages, air vibrators are strategically placed at each trailer's discharge points. These trailers, along with their accompanying tractors, are permitted to carry up to 28 tons of wet sand directly to the frac site. For assurance of complete unloading, video cameras are installed in conveyors. The conveyors themselves are adept at handling both wet and dry sand and are equipped to manage sand during freezing conditions, boasting a significant offload capacity of 400 tons per hour. Additionally, our bases and silos are engineered to be fully functional with both wet and dry sand varieties. In terms of our infrastructure, we've upgraded our bases to electric, enhancing our discharge capabilities to 30,000 pounds a minute for each base. With a storage capacity of 500,000 pounds per silo and a collective 4.5 million pounds across our 9-pack silo system, we're prepared for large-scale operation. Each silo is treated with specialized internal coating for maximum corrosion resistance and non-stick performance, ensuring a consistent flow of wet sand without the hindrances of bridging, rat holes, or buildup. For verification and monitoring purposes, we've equipped each silo with internal video cameras and lighting. Our bases are equipped with precision load cell scales that have been proven to be less than a 1% variance, ensuring accurate measurements. Alongside optical scales on our conveyors provide real-time tracking of the proppant in pounds per minute and the total amount delivered per stage. Our cutting-edge moisture measurement system is also in place to continuously monitor the water content of the sand as it is pumped. We've also integrated an automated system for job design that's fully programmable, allowing for real-time adjustments to the belt speed based on the frac rates. Our second service line, wet stacking, is revolutionizing the industry. It uses a similar conveyor type as our sand silo system, but eliminates the need for constructing ramps or barriers. The system's conveyor stands at a height of 53 feet, enabling the wet stacking of up to 18 million pounds of sand on site without the need for any additional equipment or repositioning, significantly reducing potential hazards. To ensure precise measurements, our front-end loaders are equipped with weighted buckets that precisely record each load into the frac blender. Our primary and secondary loaders efficiently transfer sand from the pile to the frac blender conveyor, handling 12,000 pounds per bucket. We've installed safeguards to prevent any accidental collection of debris. Moreover, our loaders have the capability to print detailed reports of each load and the proper totals per stage, providing transparent verification for our customers. The hallmark of our systems is their versatility, with most of the equipment from the sand silo system also being adept for the use in the wet stacking system, including the conveyors, sand trailers, and the frac blender conveyor. As we move forward, we stand behind these two innovative service lines, confident that they will deliver ongoing, exceptional service to all our customers.